Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of BullX Neo, a cutting-edge cryptocurrency trading platform that's been making waves in the trading community. We'll explore its features, the pricing, the pros and cons, and ultimately determine whether it's a game changer for crypto traders in 2025. I'll also suggest 3 alternatives for those seeking different options. So let's dive right in. BullX Neo is an advanced cryptocurrency trading platform designed to provide traders with a comprehensive suite of tools for efficient and effective trading across multiple blockchain networks. Building upon the foundation of its predecessor, BullX, the Neo version introduces enhanced features aimed at optimizing the trading experience for both novice and seasoned traders. One of the standout aspects of BullX Neo is its multi-chain trading support. This feature allows users to trade seamlessly across various blockchains, including Ethereum, Solana, Binance Smart Chain, Arbitrum, and Base. Such versatility ensures that traders have access to a diverse range of assets without the hassle of switching between different platforms or wallets. The platform's user interface has been thoughtfully redesigned to enhance usability. Notably, the addition of a search bar enables quick token searches by name or contract address, and the Explore tab's trending section allows users to monitor popular tokens over various timeframes, facilitating informed decision making. Now let us talk about the main features. BullX Neo offers a rich array of features tailored to meet the diverse needs of crypto traders. 1. Neo Vision. This innovative feature provides graphical representation of token charts, aiding in the identification of potential scams by highlighting suspicious price patterns such as unnatural upward spikes without corresponding dips. Portfolio Analyzer. Traders can gain a comprehensive overview of their profits and loss across multiple timeframes, with the ability to analyze both their own portfolios and the trading histories of other wallets. Multi-wallet management. This feature simplifies the monitoring of multiple wallets by allowing users to name and track each one, receiving real-time alerts for trades executed by tracked wallets. Advanced trading tools. BullX Neo supports strategies like dollar cost averaging, enabling users to enter or exit positions gradually over a set time period, thereby reducing the market impact of large trades. Bubble Map. The revamped Bubble Map feature offers detailed insights into token distribution, allowing traders to view token clusters and transaction networks more efficiently, which is crucial for assessing a token's health and legitimacy. Built-in Wallet Tracker. Integrated directly into the platform, this tool enables users to monitor wallets' activities seamlessly, providing real-time insights into market movement based on wallet activity. Security enhancements. BullX Neo employs AES 256 encryption and improved private key management, ensuring robust protection of user data and sensitive information. Now let us talk about the pricing. BullX Neo operates on a transaction-based fee structure. The standard fee is 1% per transaction, collected in the native token of the blockchain being used, for example, SOL for Solana. However, users can benefit from discounts, like using an access code that reduces the fee, executing trades via Telegram bots that offers an additional discount, making it more competitive. What are the pros and cons of using the BullX Neo? First, we talk about the pros. Lightning fast transaction. Lightning fast transaction indexing, particularly on Solana, allowing traders to capitalize on rapid market movements. Comprehensive multi-chain support. Advanced trading tools and real-time security audits. And hybrid interface combining a web app and a Telegram bot. How about the cons? The fee structure may be less favorable for small-scale traders, as fees can disproportionately affect smaller trades. Some users have reported issues with fund withdrawals, and occasional bugs and performance issues have been noted, which indicates areas where the platform could improve. Now here's the big question. Is BullX Neo a game changer for crypto traders in 2025? BullX Neo emerges as a formidable tool in the arsenal of crypto traders in 2025. Its multi-chain support, advanced trading tools, and innovative features like Neo Vision and the Portfolio Analyzer positioned it as a comprehensive platform capable of meeting the evolving needs of the trading community. The hybrid interface, combining a web app and a Telegram bot, offers flexibility and accessibility. However, it's essential to approach BullX Neo with a balanced perspective, because the fee structure, while competitive for larger trades, may not be as advantageous for those dealing with smaller volumes. Additionally, user reports concerning withdrawal issues and occasional technical glitches suggest that there is a room for improvement. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore DEX Tools, PoolCoin, and TradingView. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.